we will work for sustainability, but we will work with a partner. So we have introduced, and the management have introduced what we call it IPP, Independent Power Production.
When it comes to security, we'd rather not look at security in the garage as that afterthought or this isolated domain that will be tackled at the end.
From the energy side, we work very well. Yes, pandemic affect everybody, but for a certain period, we are doing well since we are actually providing all the industry, from the hospital, from the police, all over the Dubai city. We provide them with the excellent supply.